Welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your horse and create completely different looks in just a few clicks. Let's start with the horse body. This project includes 12 different horse skins, so you can easily switch between different colors and styles depending on the look you want. To change the horse's skin, simply select the horse body and choose the material you want to use. As you can see, the horse instantly gets a completely different appearance. You can quickly go through all the available skins and find the one that fits your scene, character, or gameplay. And the best part is that you can change the look at any time without modifying the model itself. Now that we've selected our favorite body color, let's customize the horse's mane and tail. Let's start with the tail. Simply select the tail material and choose one of the available colors. And just like that, we have a completely new look. Now, let's move on to the mane. You can also change the mane color independently, giving you even more customization possibilities. But there's something even more interesting here. The mane comes with a 40 base color and an overlay tee, which allows you to create additional variations and more detailed looks. For example, we can combine a darker base with a lighter overlay. Or we can go for a completely different color combination. And you can mix and match these options with any of the horse body skins. So, with just 12 body skins, 6 mane and tail colors, plus the mane overlay tee, you can create a huge variety of unique horse appearances. Whether you want a classic brown horse, a dark horse, or something more colorful and unique, everything is ready to use. No modeling changes are required. Simply choose your materials and customize your horse in seconds. And that's it. Your horse is now fully customized and ready to be used in your project. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your own unique horse.